Right then, I hope you're all doing well. What I'm going to cover this week is something that has been really inspiring from my travels across Southeast Asia, in particular when I visited Malaysia and also Penang, which was absolutely incredible, where I was inspired with lots of really good street food. It's such a multicultural hub, combination of all these different cultures brought together all of these different foods, India, China, obviously Malaysia itself. And what I want to cover is my absolute favourite, actually a Chinese Malay dish, which I first tried in Penang. It was absolutely amazing, and it's called a Char Kuey Teow. And this has really been inspired from Coral, who's based in Malaysia, but is actually from Madrid, Spanish. And really looking forward to sharing my version of this. So thank you for your inspiration. Brown rice noodles, folded. You can actually make these, you can make like pancakes and cook them yourself. We also need some tofu, which I'm using this Bonzan, absolutely vegan, actually kombucha tofu. Bean sprout, salad onions here, but we're going to use the greens. It does actually ask for Chinese chives, but I'm going to use these instead, so spring onions and the greens. Fresh garlic preferred, or you can just use some garlic paste. Palm sugar, some dark and light soy sauce, sea salt, sambal olek. And olek actually means pestle and mortar in Malay. So that's kind of like a chili pestle and mortar paste. If you haven't got this, you could just use some chili garlic sauce. Right, so let's crack on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to air fry the tofu here. We're going to put this into the air fryer unit. So simply saying add the food. Simply close. Nearly finished air frying the tofu. My wife isn't convinced of tofu yet, so I'm yet to convert it. So here it's done. It's good. And let's see. Air fried. Boom. It's brilliant. Cut this up finely into little strips, and I'm going to absorb it in the flavours. Oh, it smells amazing. Brings back some wonderful memories of travelling to Penang, Malaysia. And then finally, just to give this a little bit of a garnish, we're going to use some spring onions. Just going to sprinkle them over the top. So here we have it, the Char Kuey Teow. It's really good to start covering something a little bit different. So thank you, Cole, for your inspiration. Really hope you're loving the show. Please do check out all my other playlists for vegan and vegetarian dishes, and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.